Hi and welcome to Vicky Ratnani's ATM Kitchen. Today's recipes are all about quick food. Lekin quick I don't mean by fast food, I mean about quick and healthy food which you can cook at any time of the day, and the best part is that you can eat them any time of the day. So let's get cooking. I have some water on the boil. Now the reason why मैं पानी उबाल रहा हूँ is that when you are cooking vegetables, especially green vegetables, you have to make sure the water is boiling hot. Now secondly, जब आप green vegetables या any kind of vegetables आप cook कर रहे हो, make sure that before you actually start cooking, आपके पास एक bowl है और उसमें बर्फ है. So you've got nice and cold water. Not that you're going to burn your hands. The idea is that you blanch the vegetables literally 30 to 40 seconds in the water and then we plunge it, यानी कि उसको absolutely बर्फ के पानी में उसको डुबा देते हैं so that they stop cooking, तो उनकी nutrition and the goodness is still there. So let me show you how green beans हम blanch कैसे करते हैं. तो we have some nice fresh green beans which I got in the market today. उसको अंदर डाल देते हैं हम. A little bit of salt in it. That's it. Now this recipe is actually called the flat belly salad. Why do I call it the flat belly? Because if you eat this and you look after yourself, definitely you're going to have one of those Hrithik Roshan types of abs, absolutely. तो ये जो है ट्यूना फिश है. ट्यूना फिश आपको फ्रेश भी मिलता है, लेकिन ये जो कैन ट्यूना जो आती है, you get them in the tins, they're very popular all over the world. There's nothing wrong in eating them, and this tuna makes the best salads. If you ask any instructor or anyone who's into bodybuilding and into wellness, tuna and salmon is #1 on their list. Another good advantage of this is that the cans can be carried wherever you like. So sometimes if you have all these vegetables in your house, all you need to do is open the can of tuna, drain it and mix it and create a beautiful salad. Now if you'd like to add broccoli to the salad, you can add broccoli. You want to add cauliflower, you want to mix some brown rice. This is unbelievable. Now looks like my beans are already ready. So let's take them out of here. So nice and crunchy, beautiful beans are going inside here. Next, I'm going to show you how to blanch tomatoes. Now, the reason why we blanch tomatoes is that when we make a sauce, sometimes we don't like to have the skin on it. Also, for a really nice salad, the skin of the tomato, when it's removed, it gives a really nice mouthfeel to your salad as well. So, let's make a cross on one side. I've removed the eye on the other side. Next, we're going to add this. Similarly, make a cross on one end of the tomato. उसके बाद पीछे उसकी आँख निकाल दो टमाटर की और फिर पानी में अंदर. नो लिटरली मैं 40 सेकंड के लिए ये टमाटर को मैं अंदर रखूंगा. उसके बाद सिमिलरली आइस वाटर में डाल के उसकी स्किन जो है वो इजीली पील हो जाएगी. सो दीज आर नाइस एंड क्रंची. The chlorophyll, the nutrition, the eye appeal, everything is there. So by blanching them for just 30 seconds, you have beans which are absolutely nutritious. By blanching them just for 30 to 40 seconds and blanching them again in cold water, you've got really nice crunchy green beans. So let's just cut these into 1 by 2 and let's start putting it inside my bowl. The tuna fish which is available in cans, one of them is in oil and the other one is in brine, yani ki in a very light saltwater solution. So I've bought the tuna in brine. So we're going to add a little bit of tuna into this salad as well. Next, some beautiful baby onions going inside. So ye onions ko hum literally cut it into half and add it inside the salad. Will give you a beautiful crunch and a good kick to your salad. Uske baad, I have one green chili. Green chili, let's split this into 2. And then finally slice the green chilies inside. Fabulous. So you add tuna, you've added onions, you added green chili, which means your metabolism is already on the rise. Some beautiful basil leaves, tulsi ke patte for flavor. So a few beautiful basil leaves are going inside here. फैंटास्टिक। ये हमारे जो टमाटर है, नॉट फॉरगेटिंग देम, द टमाटोज go inside ice water again. Fabulous. Now the moment you put this in ice water, one thing is that it's easier to handle. उसके बाद very simple, आप ये टमाटर को छील लो और बिल्कुल easily आपका skin निकल गया. You can also use these as well in your salad, no problem at all. Next, let's slice these lovely peeled tomatoes inside for your salad. So there's going to be a lot of juice and a lot of flavor inside. So we mixed. अब इस salad में चाहिए मुझे थोड़ा crunch. Crunch comes in a lot of ways. The way I'm going to be adding crunch is with some lovely cucumbers. So cucumbers को हम half में काट के cut these into really thin slices just like this. और उसके बाद cut it one more into nice batons or matchsticks जैसे हम कहते हैं into our salad. Now it's a lot to do with the cutting of the salad. It's not just about ingredients, it's about how your ingredients are cut as well. Makes a big difference to your salad. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to start off. And out here, so we're going to take some fresh orange juice. From about half an orange, I think would be fine. Thoda sa mustard, okay? A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. So ये mustard और orange juice को हम mix कर देते हैं और उसके अंदर हम डालते हैं 1 teaspoon of cold pressed coconut oil. So our dressing is ready और इसके ऊपर हम ऑरेंज मस्टर्ड और कोकोनट ड्रेसिंग हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. नेक्स्ट थोड़ी सी चॉप पार्सले जो आपको कहीं भी मार्केट में मिल जाएगी. So some fresh coriander gives a beautiful flavor to this. Next I'm just going to mix this up so that the tuna comes out, it flakes, and we have this delicious juicy dressing for us. So a nice chunky tuna salad with green beans, tomatoes, cucumbers is ready for you. I've also got some olives which I would like to add into this to give you another texture and flavor to your tuna flat belly salad. So a couple of cherry tomatoes will do the trick as well. थोड़े से हमारे sprouts, beautiful. And आजकल मार्केट में you're getting some beautiful edible flowers, तो थोड़े से फूल भी डाल देते हैं हम. So dress your food up, eat healthy, and be happy. So the flat belly salad is ready in 10 minutes. The recipe is fabulous. Now to get the real deal, the real nutrition, please welcome my friend and amazing nutrition, Pooja Parekh.
जैसे मैं इसमें देख रही हूँ, it's a very good combination of proteins क्योंकि उन्होंने फिश यूज़ किया है जिसमें ट्यूना में स्पेसिफिकली ना सेलेनियम नाम का एक मिनरल है जो बेसिकली बॉडी का डिफेंस सिस्टम काफ़ी बढ़ा देता है. एंड उसके अलावा ऑफ कोर्स एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड्स जिसको हम जानते हैं एज ओमेगा 3. ओमेगा 3 जो होता है वो बेसिकली आपके सेल्स को ना सॉफ्ट और मॉइस्ट रखता है टू अलाउ एंट्री एंड एग्जिट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. सो दैट्स ग्रेट हियर. और आपने पेपर यूज़ किया है. पेपर जो है वो बेसिकली बॉडी में फैट सेल्स को बढ़ने से रोकता है. सो पेपर डेफिनेटली हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ इफेक्ट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट लॉस. एंड उसके अलावा बाकी जो भी इसमें एडेड न्यूट्रिएंट्स है जैसे कि विटामिन सी काफ़ी है क्योंकि ऑरेंज है इसमें, तो इट जस्ट एनहांसेस द अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ अदर विटामिन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेपर.